Hi, welcome to Mathaba TV, where we discuss the hottest South African news. My name is Magabonge Mathaba. Today we've got 4 stories that we'll talk about. But before we talk about those stories, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Now, the first story that we'll talk about is the DA leader Steenhuisen backs divisive KZN election posters. And the second story, it will be Cyril Ramaphosa tells teachers, produce the skills and capabilities that our country needs. And that story will be sex education to be interfilled in schools. Our last story, it will be 22 million rand stadium in Eastern Cape. Democratic Alliance DA leader John Steenhuisen and a group of supporters picked outside the Gallagher Convention Center in Midrand on Wednesday, and the party is unhappy with what it believes to be increasing water disruption and shortage in Gauteng. However, the conversation soon turned to a party's election poster in Phoenix, north of Durban. The poster in the area, which bore the band of some of the worst violence during unrest in July, has a slogan, "They call you racist, we call you heroes," printed on them. Some South Africans have slammed the posters as racially divisive. But Steenhuisen stood his ground during the heated exchange with the members of media. "I'm never going to apologize for calling ordinary South Africans who stand up for law and order, who protected the rule of law and who are on the side of right. I'm never going to apologize for calling them heroes," he said. They are heroes. Well, however, they're black, white, Indian, or colored. As we saw during those terrible days in KwaZulu-Natal, they are heroes because they stepped up when government stepped away. Steenhuisen denied the allegation that the DA is exploiting the racial tensions in the area. That's not true. It's simply not true. The heroes are black, white, Indian, colored. South Africans who stood up for those rule of law. It's KZN campaign and KZN are ruling with that particular issue, he says. Please let me know what do you think of this story. Have you seen those posters? Let me know what do you think of this story. You can comment on the comment section. Yeah, I saw those posters. The one that said the ANC called you racist. DA calls you heroes. Yeah, let me know what you think of those stories. Do you really think they will cause tension, or you just think it's politic? Cyril Ramaphosa tells the teachers, produce the skills and the capabilities that our country needs. President Cyril Ramaphosa says that there is a great responsibility on the shoulders of the country's teacher, education officials to ensure South African schools, college, universities, and other training institutions produce skills and capabilities that our country needs. Ramaphosa on Wednesday was speaking at the 21st Reimagine National Teachers Award ceremony at the Emperor's Palace Convention Center in Eguruleni, where he highlighted some of the problems facing the country in education system. As a nation, our most pressing challenge right now is youth unemployment. Some of the young work seekers are not well educated and do not possess sufficient skills and previous work experience demanded by the employers in the labor market. That places great responsibilities on our teachers, education officials, and in need of all of us to ensure that our schools, college, universities, and other training institutions are producing the skills and capabilities that our country needs, Ramaphosa said. Alright, let's get to our third story. Sex education to be interfered in school. Basic education will intensify the implementation of its comprehensive sexuality education program. Over 36,000 girls between 10 and 19 fell pregnant in the first quarter of this year. The department says this showed the necessity of the policy, but it remains controversial. Some groups say the government should not be involved in the sex education. Department spokesperson Eliam Mhlanga was quoted as saying parents have failed dismally to educate their children about sex. Please let me know on the comment section, what do you think of this story? 22 million Eastern Cape Stadium questioned. Questions are being asked about the price tag for a sports facility in the Eastern Cape. The Lesser Town sports facility near Komane in the Eastern Cape is understood to have cost as much as 22 million rand. The Inokim Gijima local municipality is being asked what the money was actually spent on. Eastern Cape Sports Confederation Secretary Pumelele Hlati said, "It doesn't look like the numbers add up. We as sports facility care about getting the sports facility that we can play on." Yeah, that's the stadium that is reported to cost a lot of millions. Some believe 15 million rands were spent building this stadium. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think of this story, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified on the future upload. Thank you so much. That's it for now. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video.